Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics, chapter 1 real numbers. Today we will be discussing exercise 1.1 starting from page number 7. So in exercise 1.1 we have completed this sum and the second sum was also completed. So the third sum, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. So the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number? So again we are asking for the maximum number, which means we have to find the HCF, highest common factor, by Euclid's division lemma method. 616 and 32. So this is same as this HCF method we have done before for using Euclid's division lemma. So the 32, the smaller number will be the divisor and the bigger number will be the dividend. So 32 is the divisor and 616 is the dividend. So 32 will be like 1 times 32 and the difference is 9, 2 and bring the 6 down. So 32 again 296 will be like 9 times 288. So the difference is 8. Since r is not equal to 0, we have to do this again. Before that, a equals bq plus r. Substitute the value of r, a. So a equals b, q and r. So what is the value of A? 616 equals B is 32 into Q is 19 plus R is 8. B into Q plus R. Now 32 comes down here since this R is not equal to 0. 8, 32. 32 becomes the dividend. So 8 4 times 32, 0. So we got R as 0. So the divisor with which we got R as 0 will be the HCF. Before that, same for this one, 32 equals 8 into 4 plus 0. Therefore, HCF equals 8. Now let's solve 4th and 5th sum, because 4th and 5th sum are of same type. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Whereas in this 5th sum, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So you know the formula for square of any integer. So square formula a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. And for the cube of any positive integer is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. These are the formulas we will be using for these two sums. First, let's do step by step. So Euclid's division lemma to show square of any positive integer. This will be the value of a. So let's start with the formula. A equals bq plus r. So a is square of positive integer. Square of positive integer. And value of b equals 3. Q is always greater than or equal to 0, and R formula, you know, it's always greater than or equal to 0 and it will be less than B, which means R equals 0, B is 3, which is implies 0 less than or equals R less than 3, which means R will be between these numbers 0 and 3, which is 0, 1 and 2. Now substitute all the values. So first A equals BQ plus R as 0. First we'll substitute R equals, let's first start with R equals 0. So A equals, B value is 3 into Q value is Q plus R is 0, which means A equals 3Q. Now, since they are asking for the square form, square of any positive integer, we have to square this value. So, A equals 3Q the whole square, which means A square equals 339, Q into Q is Q square. So, this is the first equation. Now, let's substitute R equals 1. So, A equals 3Q plus 1. So, again we have to square this. A square equals to 3Q plus 1 the whole square. So, the formula we are going to apply is A plus B the whole square formula, where A will be 3Q and B will be 1. So, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, what is A? 3Q. A is 3Q, which means 3 3s are 9 and Q square plus 2 into, substitute the value of A, 3Q, and substitute the value of B, 1 plus B square. What is the value of B is 1. 1 square, which is 1. So, this is equals to 9Q square plus 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So, 6Q plus 1. So, in this two terms, 9 and 6, which is a common multiple of 3. So, let's take 3 out. We are taking 3 out because the question is in the form 3. They are asking us to prove it in the form of 3. So, we are taking out 3. So, 3. So, we'll get 9 3 times. 3 into 3 is 9. And this Q square, this plus, and 6 will be like 3 2 times. And this Q comes down. Okay. Plus this one. So, this is the second equation. Okay. Now, substitute R value as 2. R equals 2. So, A equals, B value is 3, Q plus R value is 2. So, again we have to square this equation. A square equal to 3Q plus 2 the whole square. So, A plus B the whole square formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, A square, this is A and this is B. So, A square 339 Q square plus 2 into A is 3Q into B is 2 plus B square. What is B? 2. So, 2 square. So, again this is equals 9Q square plus 2 3s are 6 and 6 into 2 is 12Q plus 2 square is 4. Again this one we have to bring it in the form of 3, multiple of 3. So, again 9Q square plus 12 is also a multiple of 3, whereas 4 we can write as 3 plus 1. So, from these 3 we can take 3 as common. So, 3 into 9. For 9 it is 3 times Q square plus 4Q plus 1 plus this one. So, it means that, so these are the 3 equations. All the 3 equations are in the form of 3 into something. We can take this as M, this whole. So this is 3m plus 1. So this is 3, this one we can take as m, any integer, so m plus 1, 3m plus 1. And this is in the form of 3 into q square, 9. So this is, even this we have to take 3. This will also be like, this is 9 can be taken as 3 into 3q square. So this is as m, which means this is equals to 3m. So this shows that the square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. So this is of 3m and the remaining is of 3m plus 1. Now for this sum, the steps will be same. So you use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer. So here we are going to find cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So let's start with the formula. A equals bq plus r. So a value is equals to cube of any positive integer, and b is 3. Since it is Euclid's division lemma, we are just taking b as 3. And then q is always greater than or equal to 0. And r, we know that r will be greater than or equals to 0 and it will be less than b. Here b is 3. So 0 less than r less than 3. So r value will be between 0 and 3. So r equals 0, 1, 2. So these are the values. Now substitute the values in the equation. So a equals b. What is the value of b? 3, and q plus r, we are taking it as r equals 0. So 0. So which means a equals 3q, and we have to find the cube of any positive integer here. So a cube equals 3q, the whole cube, which means 3 into 3 into 3 is 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27 q cube. 7 into q cube. Since it is in the form of 9, we have to take this in the form of 9, which means 27 is a multiple of 9, so we will take 9 out, and 27 is 3 times 9, 3 is 27, and q cube. So this 3q cube can be considered as m, so any integer. So first equation, a cube equals to 9 in m. So we have got this one, it is in the form of 9m. Now second, r equals to 1. We have to substitute the value of r as r equals 1. So a equals, b value is 3, q plus 1, and same cube here. So for this one, 3q plus 1, the whole cube. So again, what is a plus b, the whole cube formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. So substitute this equation. So we know this 3q is a and 1 is b. So substitute in this value. So a cube, 3q, the whole cube, plus 3 into a square, 3q, the whole square, b is 1, plus 3 into b square is 1 square, a is 3q, plus b cube is 1 cube. So when we expand this, we get 3 into 3 into 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 q cube, plus 3 3s are 9, 9 into 1 is 9 q square, plus 3 into 1 square is 1, 3 into 3 is 9 cube, plus 1 cube is 1. So again we have to take this in the form of 9. So if till this is a multiple of 9 and 9 is common in this, we can take 9 out, and 9 will be like 27 is 3 times q cube plus 9 1 q square plus 9 is 1 cube. plus 1. So you can take this as m, any common integer. So a cube equals 9m plus 1. So this is proved. Second one is proved. Now it is 9m plus 8. So now we have to substitute the value of r as 2. So r equals to 2. Substitute in the formula. So a equals b value is 3, q plus r value is 2. Now a cube equal to 3q plus 2, the whole cube. Again substitute in the formula, this one. A plus b, the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. So we know that this is a and this is b. So 3q. 3q a cube plus 3a square b. 3 into a square is 3q the whole square into b is 2 plus, be careful with the signs and be careful with the numbers. 3 into b square. B is 2 and a is 3q plus b cube. B is 2q. So expand this. 3q the whole cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Q plus 3 into 3 is 9. Actually we have to expand this, right? So 3 into 3q the whole square is 9q square into 2 plus 3 into 2 2s are 4 into 3q plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube is 8. So which is equals 27q cube plus 3 into 9 is 3 into 9, 9, 3 times is 27, 27 into 2 is 54 q square plus 3 into 4 is 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 q plus 8. So again we have to bring all this in terms of 9. So this first 3 terms will be divisible by 9. So we can take 9 out. Nine into 2, 3, 9 3 times is 27, q cube plus 9 6 times is 54, q square plus 9 4 times is 36, q plus 8. So we can take this as a m, any integer. So which means a cube equals 9m plus 8. So this is also proved. So the positive integer will be of cube of any positive integer will be of form 9m plus 8. So with this exercise 1.1 is completed. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.